kitty cat.
Great kitty cat. Can you give her a kiss?
Old.
Oh, see, that's how Auntie Kay used to hold Mommy's kitty cat, by the neck, but we can't hold him by the neck, okay? You have to hold him like this. You hold him like that. Good job. Do nice, gentle to the kitty cat.
Cats are big. I've never seen a human this size before.
Yeah.
Humans are never seen a cat that size before.
Can you give? Yeah, you have to be. Oh, you have to be gentle. She's just a baby. She's just a baby. Can you give her a kiss?
I love that. I want one.
So why do you have to be allergic to everything? If you don't touch her, you will be okay, right? Or are you already saying?